2010 Mazda 3 hatchback. We are resetting the window auto up and auto down position. As a sample, as you can see, the auto up is not working. At the same time, the auto down is not working. That's because we recently disconnected the battery. So to reset the auto up and auto down function, put the engine in on position without starting the engine. Now, push the down button all the way down for 2 seconds. Then, raise it up all the way up, pulling the auto up position lever also, and hold it for 2 seconds. Now let it go and it should start working. Auto down and auto up. And that is how to reset the auto up and auto down window function of a 2010 Mazda 3 hatchback. Thank you for watching.